In this tutorial, you'll learn how to recover deleted sheets and data in Smartsheet quickly and easily. Start by logging into Smartsheet and opening the Browse panel on the left side. If you've accidentally deleted a sheet, navigate to the Deleted Items or Recycle Bin section. This area stores recently deleted sheets, reports, and dashboards. Locate the item you want to recover. If needed, use the search or sort options to find it faster. Once you've found the deleted sheet, right-click it and select Restore. Confirm the action and the sheet will be returned to its original location in your workspace. Keep in mind that deleted items are typically retained for a limited period, so it's best to restore them as soon as possible. If you can't find the deleted sheet, contact your Smartsheet administrator or support team for additional recovery options. Thanks for watching.